Alps Bus. Hello guys. Welcome to this channel of the Alps Bus. New bus is Alps Bus P799 with nickname Nathaniel. Yep. Wolf. But there was no people yet. But if there was no people, the bus cannot stop because if there was no people at all. The seats are color black. Whatever you want color of the Alps Bus ZK622HD9. Mine is black. Comment if you want, if you like, if your favorite is light gray, then light gray, then it's and then gray, yeah, light gray and light gray, gray, gray and gray, gray, GRAY are same color as gray, 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 GRAY and GREY. Tire. Alps Bus. Wow, this is a cool. That feels like aircon. Get the automatic door with button. Well, we left it open, has the automatic door sound like a has a truck, or the sound it moves like a as a truck again. U-Tone ZK6122HD9 Alps. Engine stops. If there was no people on bus stop, the bus cannot stop because if there was not pick up of the bus Alps. This is license plate. Alps Bus. Because of this noob Alps Bus, I delete the mini block of it and then reinstall because of the makes me laugh when the wolf is gets stuck on the stuck because the word stuck and gets funny. But eventually it delete, and so I install. Let me see. Yep. One out. One in out. In out. In out. In out. Of. It did existed. Has the electricity of them to make what I'm sure that is in. Yes. Okay. This is for the land. And look. Some condensations. What is that? Look, it's high. Yes. The school is today. The school is holiday due to of Chinese New Year or because of the Chinese New Year. Celebrate on China of 2026 year. Bye. Subscribe.